Zdaj, ko se pomisli nazaj, so res zelo turbulent spomini. Od veselja do žalosti, do zaostanka, potem z igralcem več povedeš. Se oni vrnejo, spet neka menjava čustev. Takrat pa se v bistvu vse podre. Pol se ti odvrti nek film v glavi, kaj če slučajno izpademo, to penali, to so neka loterija. Hvala Bogu smo se zbrali.
Celje, a city that breathes Slovenian medieval history. Once a home to counts, nobles, and warriors who fought their way to the heights of European aristocracy. A history much akin to that of the city's football team. NK Celje are breaking records in the UEFA Conference League, fighting their way into Europe's elite. The first ever Slovenian side to reach a European quarter-final. Setting up a blockbuster tie against two-time Conference League finalists, Fiorentino. For Svit's Sešlar, his connection to Celje runs deeper than most. The Slovenian midfielder rejoined the club of his youth on loan from Turkish side Albertom in September 2024 and now sits top of the Conference League assist chart this season.
Zdaj trenutno se nahajamo na Celjskem gradu. Ima velik pomen ne samo za Celje, tudi za Slovenijo. Vemo tudi, da so te 3 zvezde v slovenskem grbu pomenijo te 3 celjske grofe. To so bili moji prvi koraki, nogometni so bili, sem začel v Celju. Pri 4 letih sem začel v bistvu trenirati z selekcijo U6. Na Celje imam res samo lepe spomine. Tudi ko smo se v nekem momentu razšli, je bilo to na zelo lep način, prijateljski. Zdaj so mi spet ponudili priložnost, da se vrnem, da zaigram za Celje in sem hvaležen za to priložnost.
But Svit's connection to Celje runs further than his youth team roots. This season, he's been following in the footsteps of his father, Simon, who made over 300 appearances for the club.
On mi vedno govori, da naj uživam v nogometu, ker takrat sem najboljši. Tako da skozi mi govori, sprosti se, uživaj, smej se v nogometu, zato ker imamo najlepši poklic na svetu.
Sigurno ti sam veš, da je nam, ne samo meni, ampak v bistvu celi naši družini od ožji, to je na veliko zadovoljstvo, da lahko si verjetno marsikdo ne more predstavljati in ponosni, veseli, ko vidimo, da uživaš na igrišču predvsem.
In kaj boste prišli na tekmo vsi ali ne boste?
Bomo videli, če bomo dobili karto. Če bo zrihto karto, pridemo.
Tako da še kdaj nisem.
The man responsible for bringing Sešlar back to the club was head coach Albert Riera, someone who is no stranger to European football. The former Liverpool and Galatasaray midfielder joined last summer for his second spell in charge and has made a name for himself for his straight-talking approach to his job.
Hay una parte que te va a apoyar, una parte que les gusta, otra parte que no. Pero siempre digo lo mismo y es un poco mi carácter, mi personalidad. Yo no pretendo gustar a todos. Yo no me levanto por la mañana y digo me gustaría gustar a todos. No. Yo tengo mis ideas, tengo mi manera de trabajar muy clara y obviamente hay gente que le gustará, gente que no. Es normal.
The players, they respond in the morning, how they feel, how they were sleeping. If you have some pain, and then the mood. But for me, this is the most important because you need to come with a good mood to your job every day. It's the way how I'm connected to them. I can see one's with the mood 7. I prefer that it's at 10. But if someone is a little below, I can straight away go to hug him. No.
Good morning. Morning. Everybody happy? Show me your faces. Wow. The training today will be even more interesting. It will be more real. We're going to simulate better what we want against Fiorentino, okay? We have something beautiful to fight for. You will have butterflies in your stomach. You need to have one thing in your brain. That I know when I will go out on the pitch, what I have to do with the ball and without the ball. To give your best, to don't have doubts, to be yourself, to be the team that we are, that we've been doing. That's it, we don't need to invent anything. Wow, I'm so happy, I can't imagine.
Kar se tiče nogometa, enostavno ve vse, dati neke napotke, dati rešitve v igri in z njim kot trenerjem je res. Igralcu je zelo enostavno igrati, če je on ob strani ob igrišču.
Yo necesitaba un joker, necesitaba un jugador aquí, un joker. Yo le llamo joker, es un jugador donde puede jugar diferentes posiciones y sobre todo un jugador que entiende el juego, que es inteligente. Sešlar lo mejor que tiene es que es capaz de jugar bien, pero más importante, hace jugar bien a los demás, los que tiene alrededor. Y entonces necesitaba un año de sentirse importante. Y este año se ha sentido importante y esto le ha hecho crecer mucho. Cuando tienen confianza, el jugador crece un 50% más, ¿no? Es capaz de hacer muchas cosas. Y yo intento, con el carácter y la personalidad que yo tengo, intentar darles esa bravura, ¿no? Esas ganas y esa personalidad de que pueden hacerlo bien y ahora estamos en un momento de que somos capaces de hacerlo.
Treba se zrihtati za to tekmo.
Čakaj, Svitko! Daj.
Hvala.
As an historic day dawned on Celje, final preparations continued ahead of a monumental quarter-final clash. And the scale of the occasion was not lost on captain Žanom Karničnikom.
Pa ja, vemo, da gre za največjo tekmo v tej, lahko rečem, v celjski zgodovini. Stadion bo poln, verjetno prvič tudi v zgodovini celjskega kluba. In vsekakor bo šlo za eno veliko tekmo.
Going to be this one. Need to be this one. Determinated, commitment, hungry. I want to see all this on that. And you are here not because of coincidences. No, I don't believe in coincidences.
Tudi sami igralci smo se že pogovarjali, da bomo mogli veliko tudi iztrpeti, ker vemo, da gre za izjemno kvalitetne posameznike v ekipi Fiorentine. Ampak to je nekakšen izziv, takšne tekme je najlepše, najboljše igrati in komaj čakamo na to.
Fiorentina had won all 8 of their two-legged ties in the UEFA Conference League. The odds were stacked against the hosts.
You have quality boys, and today you have to be super, ultras, mega aggressive boys. Don't forget. Believe in yourself and play football. Playing football, it means to enjoy. When I have the ball, I am enjoying, and when I don't have the ball, I'm desperate to get the ball again. Again, I want the ball. I don't want to give the ball to them. Just enjoy. You are here because you deserve. You don't have this opportunity. You deserve to play. Okay? We have to come back after this game, to look each other, all of us, to say we gave our promise.
With coach Albert Riera's words still fresh in their minds, Celje came out firing. The hosts quicker to every ball and dangerous in the attack. Fiorentina looked shell-shocked, but soon managed to break free from their shackles. A first goal of the campaign for Luca Ranieri and a sucker punch for Celje, who had it all to do at the break. The hosts were unbeaten in their last 11 European home matches. But as Riera urged his side forward, disaster would strike again. Rolando Mandragora brought to the ground. And made no mistake from the spot. But as desperation began to set in for Celje, a lifeline. Full advantage taken by Logan Delorier-Chaubert. Celje now had renewed vigour. But in David De Gea, they met an immovable force. Heroics from the Spaniard to preserve Fiorentina's slender lead. A valiant display from Albert Riera's side, who head to Florence with the tie still very much alive.
Danes je bila ena tekma res za uživati pred polnim štadionom, pred našimi navijači. Videli se je, da uživamo na igrišču. Igrali smo lep nogomet, povsem smo si zaslužili več.